Namhlanje bekuyithuba lika UGordhan lokuphendula malungana nezinsolo ezenziwa wabe isikhulu esiphezulu eScom uAndre Director. Umsusa wezingqinamba umbiko wophenyo luzimele olwasungulwa uDirector malungana nenkohlakalo kulesikhungo. UGordhan uthi waziswa emva kwezinyanga eziyisithupha liqalile uphenyo nakhona nje.
The project actually started in January 2022. The interaction I'm talking about happened sometime late in June or July 2022, 6 months later. So he was operating on his own free will, so to speak.
UGordhan uthi izinsolo ezenziwa kulombiko azinasisekelo ngakho ke ngeke achaze ngezikhulu ze-ANC okubikwa ukuthi izinindeka kulombiko.
The basis for me knowing the names is discredited. And this investigation also stands to be approached skeptically and discredited as well, as some of the allegations or information cannot be verified.
Ujobelela ngokuthi uDirector akacaci ukuthi wabe ezozixazulula kanjani izingqinamba zeEscom njengoba abe esola iqembu elibusayo ngazo zonke izinkinga ezihaqelisa isikhungo.
Ascribing everything and every problem to a political organization rather than having the sense of responsibility that accompanies the CEO's position, which says, I am also going to do my bit to ensure that corruption on the scale that I find it will not be allowed to continue on my watch.
Mbodane ukuthi wabe xambukela emsebenzini wezikhulu zeEscom kunalokho uthi isikhulu nje esiphezulu esabe sihluleka ukufeza umsebenzi waso.
I think here what we have is a CEO who thought he was know-all and he certainly hadn't worked in a power station situation before. So I refute any assertion an allegation about giving instructions.
Njengamanje ke uGordhan usephendula imibuzo yamalungu eParliament. Izindaba ze SABC ngingonqobeko Nzimande.